I learn my language. I love this language. I love this language. I would like to learn few words, please. Not from you, from her. So, so I like to learn this Bangla language, and I believe we used to speak that language back in the days, and it's a beautiful language. But it'll be nice. It'll be nice. I can understand some of it, and I try to speak it. If they keep me long enough, I'll probably learn the whole language. Dhaka Capitals, I think the opportunity came to me a few months back, and you know, you must understand. I had immense respect for Bangladesh, and I would never lose any opportunity to come back and meet and greet with the Bangladeshis. I think they're most fantastic people. They are the most fantastic people on the planet, and they have immense love for me. So I thought, it'll be a great idea to reconnect with the Bangladeshis. And since they loved me a lot, I think I should participate and give some of my experience back to
স্যান্ডেলিনা সো রূপচর্চায় আভিজাত্য।
Bangladesh and share some stories and my experiences to the youngsters and make sure to motivate them and then to you know to inspire them and to become something which is unbelievable. I think Naid one is those that you're talking about, Taskin is you're talking about, and I think Bumrah is right there. I think Shine Shah is there, and Naseem Shah is there, and other couple of fast bowlers are coming up in Pakistan. They are really quick. I'm sure one day I really want, someone who comes along who breaks my speed record, and he has bowl as bad, as fast, as hurtful as possible in coming years. That's what I like to see. Hats off to Mitchell Stark, and the way he bowled for another 15, 16 years. I think I really want people to, the my kind of fast bowlers that comes in who terrorize the batsmen, and we hurt them and takes wickets, so we can bring the craze back into cricket by the fast bowling, and that's what I like to see. And I also request to the ICC to relax the laws of the fast bowling, allow about at least about a 3 to 4 bounces in an over, and use only one cricket ball, and lower the total, and then bring the excitement back into the cricket. That's what I like to see.